Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 2 to the power of square root of t equals 8 power t. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. So what I'm going to do will be to ensure that the two bases here are the same. So this is 2 to the power of square root of t equals 8 here. I can express it as 2 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of t. Now, if you have a to the power of n raised to the power of m, this equals a power n times m. Now I'm going to multiply this exponent. I'll have 2 power square root of t equals 2 power 3t. Now, the two bases are the same. So what we need to do will be to compare the exponent, because if you have a to the power of x equals a to the power of y, that means x equals y. So I can have square root of t equals 3t. So what I'm going to do next will be to eliminate the square root by taking the squares of both part of this equation. Now remember, if you have square root of a raised to the power of 2, this is just like having a power 1 over 2, which is square root here, and this is raised to the power of 2. And if you multiply this exponent, you are going to have a power 2 over 2, and this will give you 8. So this will eliminate this. I have t equals, for this, we can apply this identity. If you have a times b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. So I'm going to distribute this exponent to each of the terms here. I will have 3 power 2 times t power 2. So from here, we'll have t equals 3 to the power of 2 is 9 times t power 2. And from here, I have t equals 9 times t squared. This is 9t squared. So from here, I can move this t over here to form an equation. Or I can also decide to divide by t. I divide this by t. I divide this by t. T eliminates t. This will give us 1 equals, this is 9t squared divided by t, and this is to the power of 1. Now, when the bases are the same and there's division sign, you subtract the exponent. So you have t power 2 minus 1, that is t. This is having 9t. Let's cancel one of this, right? So you can solve for t right now. I can simply rearrange and have 9t equals 1. So I divide this by 9, I divide this by 9, 9 eliminate 9, then I have t equals 1 over 9. That's one way of solving, but right now I said I can form an equation by moving t over here. This becomes negative t, so we'll have 9t squared minus t equals 0. And from here, I can factor out the common term here, which is t. I can factor out t. 9t squared divided by t, this is 9t, minus t divided by t, I have 1, and this equals 0. So right now, I can equate each of these to 0. I can have t equals 0, and I can also have 9t minus 1 equals 0. So right now, t equals 0, this is solved already. For this, we need to solve this equation by moving this negative 1 over here. I have 9t equals 1. Now, to solve for t, I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. 9 eliminate 9. Then I have t equals 1 over 9. So using this method, we have two different solutions, which are t equals 0 and t equals 1 over 9. Now, what I can do again will be to insert these values for t. Let's check. we have t equals 0. And we also have t equals 1/9. We are going to insert each of these values for t. So let's start when t equals 0. Have 2 power square root of t equals 8 power t. And t is 0. Have 2 power square root of 0 equals 8 power 0. And square root of 0 is 0. So this is 2 power 0 equals 8 power 0. Now any number or alphabet raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1. This equals 8 to the power of 0 is 1. That one is solved right there. So let's consider when t equals 1/9. I will make use of the same equation again. This time t equals 1/9. And we have 2 power square root of t equals 8 power t. And t is 1/9. So I'm going to have 2 power square root of 1/9 equals 8 power 1/9. Now, if you have square root of a over b, this is just like having square root of a divided by square root of b. So applying that here, that means we are going to have 2 power square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals 8 power 1/9. And from here, I can have 2 power square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 9 is 3, and this equals 8 power 1/9. Now, I need to express this 8 here in terms of 2. Remember, 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So I'm going to have 2 power 1/3 equals 8 is 2 power 3, and this is raised to the power of 1/9. So I need to apply this order identity. 8 power n raised to the power of n equals 8 power n times n. So we simply have 2 power 1/3 equals 2 power 3 times 1. That is 3, and this is over 9 here. So 3 divided 7 divided 9, we have 3. So I have 2 power 1/3 equals 2 power 1/3. This side and this side are now the same. Now, if you have a power 1/n, this equals the n root of a power 1, which is the same thing as the n root of a. So 2 power 1/3 is the same thing as the cube root of 2, which equals the cube root of 2. So the both sides are now the same. So guys, this is how you solve this exponential problem step by step, and I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.